हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम बात करेंगे एमसीक्यूज और मोबाइल बेस्ड लाइब्रेरी सर्विसेज एंड दी टूल्स। व्हाट डज ओपेक स्टैंड फॉर? ऑनलाइन पब्लिक एक्सेस कैटलॉग। मोबाइल ओपेक allow user to search library catalog via mobile devices, which is the major benefit of mobile OPEC. Access anytime, anywhere. Mobile database are designed for the mobile phones and tablet. Which of the following is a mobile database service? That is JSTOR Mobile. A mobile database helps user to search research article on the go. Mobile OPEC enhances user convenience and accessibility. Which of these is not a part of the mobile OPEC feature? GPS navigation. The main difference between OPEC and mobile OPEC is mobile device compatibility. Mobile OPEC is especially useful for the remote user. A mobile library website is optimized for mobile browsing. Library website that adapt to different screen size use is responsive design. A mobile library app is dedicated software for accessing library service, which is an example of a library app, that is libby. Mobile apps help user to search database, read ebooks and access account information. Mobile library website often include catalog search, e-resource access and the contact librarian. Which format is most commonly used in mobile app, that is APK/IP. Library mobile apps are mainly useful for facilitating user access to library service. What is a major benefit of a mobile library website? That is on the go access to library content. Library apps may be include integration with the book reader, GPS and email alerts. Mobile library instruction and reference inquiry. Mobile library instruction refer to guiding user on using mobile based library services. Instruction videos sent via mobile are part of mobile library instruction. Mobile reference service enable real-time assistant via phone or chat. Which tool is used in mobile reference service, that is WhatsApp or SMS. Reference inquiry means requesting assistant for information needs. Which of the following enhance mobile reference interaction, that is chatbots. Libraries use mobile instruction to train user to navigate digital tools. A mobile based reference inquiry can be handled through live chat, SMS or apps. What makes mobile reference service successful? Speed and accessibility. Which is a common mobile platform for library reference service? Leave answers. Augmented reality in library helps in creating virtual library tours. AR enhances user experience by showing 3D overlays of bookshelves or guides. A library AR app may show author bio when scanning a book cover. Which technology support AR in mobile apps, that is camera and sensor? Which of these is a library alert method, that is SMS? SMS alerts from library are useful for the book return reminders, event notice and membership info. SMS alert provides real-time notification. SMS service is best suited for the rural users without smartphones. SMS based alert service are considered simple and effective. AR mobile library application is used to visualize library content interactively. Geolocation help libraries to track user location for personalized service. This service can be enhanced with geolocation, that is library book suggestions, location based push notification, local branch finder. Geolocation in mobile apps use GPS. One application of geolocation in mobile library is showing route to nearest library. Geolocation enables context aware library service. Which type of libraries benefit most from geolocation service, that is mobile libraries or multi-branch system? Geofencing in library is used to limit content access based on the location. Which technology combines AR and geolocation, that is GPS plus AR system? Integration of mobile service help libraries to offer seamless access to the information. The future of mobile library service includes AI, AR, geo service and cloud apps. Thank you.